Welcome to my YouTube channel, IT Bloom. I am Shakti Prasad Singh. Here I am coming with the GIMPS tutorial, which is used for the editing of digital photograph or chemical photograph. You can use it to edit and manipulate the photographs. So let's start. We will learn the GIMPS.
Let us discuss about GIMP tools. Select the object that you want to copy. Select the edit, then go to copy and edit, then go to paste as, then go to new layer option to paste the object. The new layer will be pasted under the layers tab with the name clipboard. Click on the move tool present on the toolbox. Place the pointer on the image and drag it to another location. As you release the mouse, the copy of the image will be placed to the new location. Crop tool. Click on the crop tool from the toolbox. The mouse cursor changes to cropping symbol. While holding the left mouse button, move the crop symbol across the picture to make a rectangular selection. Release the mouse button when the selection is complete. The area outside the cropped area appears dark. To finish the cropping process, double-click anywhere on the image window or simply press the Enter key. The cropped area will remain on the workspace and the rest of the image will be deleted. Text tool. Select the text tool from the toolbox. Click on the canvas where you want to add some text and start typing. Once the text is entered, you can edit the font style, size, color, etc. using the tools given under the tool options or using the font bar. Eraser tool. Select the eraser tool from the toolbox or press the Shift+E keyboard shortcut. Drag the mouse over the part of the image that you want to erase. You can set the various properties like opacity, size of the eraser tool under the tool options category. Bucket fill tool. Open the image and select the bucket fill tool from the toolbox. The related options appear in the tool options pane. Choose the desired option under the fill type category. Click on the canvas to fill the selected color. Save a file. Select the file, then go to Save. The Save Image dialog box appears. Type the specific name to your file in the name box. Select the location of your file from the Save in the folder option and click on the Save button. Exit from a file. Select a file, then go to Quit option. The GIMP application will get closed. Let us discuss about creating a new file in GIMP. Click on the File menu and select New option or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+M. The Create a New Image dialog box appears. Specify the details, templates, width and height under the Image Size section and set the resolution of an image, color space and fill with color of the image under the Advanced Options section. Click on the OK button. A new blank GIMP canvas will open. Let me tell you how to open image. Click on the File menu and select Open option or press Ctrl+O key combination. The Open Image dialog box appears. Select the image file to be opened from the appropriate location. When you select an image file from the list, a preview appears on the right pane along with some basic information about the image. Click on the Open button. The selected image file gets opened.
Subscribe my channel. Please subscribe it now, like it and press the bell icon and share as many as you can.